Community partners gathered at Greater Fort Erie Secondary School to celebrate a recent donation to support student learning.
We have our community partners through Birdie Tirecraft out of Stevensville, Fort Erie, and we also have Tirecraft Ontario and Hunter Engineering. They've donated a four-post hoist laser wheel alignment system for our transportation automotive program at the tune of $120,000 worth of equipment. It will engage our students for the next step past high school. So this equipment is what you would be using at the college level throughout the province of Ontario. So it gives them that engagement piece, but it also prepares them for what they're going to see at the next level with their pathway plan if they go down this career.
The donation allows students to learn on state-of-the-art industry equipment.
Where we do theory on the whiteboard, which still can be confusing to some of the students. Then once we put them onto the machine where they can actually see the tire angles and alignment angles change, it makes the connection between theory and actual practical and turns the light bulb on in a lot of their in their heads and their minds, so they get a better concept of it, which gives our students here at GFES a better a leg up on other competitors. So if they're planning on getting in industry or even co-op, where they have first-hand experience on a machine like this, they get in industry, they're actually productive right off the bat. Less training on the employer's part. So all that kind of stuff plays a huge, huge part in the learning process and as far as employment goes for the students. So it's a fantastic piece of equipment.
Hunter Engineering was one of the community partners involved in the generous donation.
We are on the leading edge of technology when it comes to alignments. 5 years ago, we introduced what we call the Hawkeye Elite and our racking system too. So when you take in combination of both those pieces, the kids are learning at high school level that is something that's usually taught at college level. They're learning now, and the technology is so fast and changing so much. They're on the leading edge of what we are on the leading edge in developing the product line for them too. For example, I can come out into a dealership and I'll see a young chap that I've already seen at the college, and he'll see the equipment. They automatically know how to run the equipment too. It's amazing how they can come into that comfort zone with this type of technology.
With a strong sense of community, Birdie Tirecraft saw this as an opportunity to help with student success.
We see that there's a problem with the trades and bringing employees into the business. So we thought maybe this would entice the new generation to get excited about it. This is something that typically they're not doing until the college level, and we're hoping it'll give them a jump start on it, and maybe we can get them in for some co-op and show them that that's not all there is to it. You know, it's not just being a grease monkey anymore. It's a little bigger.
Students have a direct connection to Birdie Tirecraft. We can hook them up with the owners there, Mike Grummett Jr. and family, for co-op placements. But then also right out of high school, if they're looking at apprenticeships, they can take those apprenticeships right to Birdie Tirecraft. So it's a win for our students, but on the other side of the coin, it's also beneficial to anybody out there that has an operation like Birdie Tirecraft looking for future employees.
In Fort Erie, you're watching The Source.